In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create distinct individual gallery pages inside not linked groups in Chrome and connect them through a master navigation dashboard. To begin, open your Chrome-based workspace and go to the area where your dashboards or page groups are organized. The goal here is to keep each gallery separated clearly so you can manage visual assets in a cleaner and more structured way. Inside your not linked groups, create separate gallery pages or clearly divided section areas for each category you want to display. This is useful because not linked groups let you keep pages independent from one another, which gives you more control over layout and organization without affecting other sections. Once those gallery pages or section areas are ready, start uploading your sorted visual asset slide lists into the correct dashboard spaces. Make sure each set of visuals goes into its own matching gallery location. Keeping the assets pre-sorted before uploading will save time and make the final dashboard much easier to navigate. As you place the content, try to keep naming and order consistent so viewers can understand the structure at a glance. A clean arrangement here makes the next navigation step much smoother. After your galleries are populated, move on to building the primary master navigation layout. This will act as your index dashboard interface, or in simple terms, the main page people use to access everything else. Create a link list that clearly represents each gallery or dashboard section. The purpose of this page is to function like a central directory, so clarity matters. Use straightforward labels that match the destination pages exactly or as closely as possible. That way, there is no confusion when someone moves from the main dashboard into a child gallery. Next, connect each navigation item directly to its corresponding sub-gallery location. Each node, button, or text link in the master navigation should point to the correct child page or gallery section. Double-check each connection as you go because broken or misdirected links can make the whole structure feel incomplete. It's a good idea to test the navigation flow